Hi guys, it's Nicole. But before we start today's vlog, I wanted to tell you guys about a super cool project that I did that was sponsored by Microsoft and Goldie Blocks. I learned how to make my own arcade game with me as a character in it. Let's do this thing. Go! This was my first time coding ever, and it's honestly so cool creating something like this. I used Microsoft MakeCode Arcade to code the game, and I made it super personal to me, adding 3 things that I love: ramen, boba, and acai bowls. And even Sadie is in there too. I wanted you guys to learn how to code too, so I made a tutorial video with all the steps. That video is up on Goldie Blocks' YouTube channel right now, and here's a clip of it. Alright you guys, now let's play the game that I just made. Okay, let's see if I'm actually good at it. Okay, ready? Go! Jump! Jump! Oh my god, I literally ran into the pink glitter slime first round. Oh my goodness, this is bad. This is bad. Okay, try again. Okay, ready guys? Let's do this thing. Go! Are you ready? Okay, doing good so far. Boba. Oh no! Boba. Ramen. Jump! Oh my god, I keep missing that one. Yay! I got 20 this time. That was a great jump. Okay. Click the link down below to watch the full video. You guys can also try out the game that I made on Microsoft MakeCode Arcade and see if you can beat my high score. You can even modify it to make it personal to you. Head over to aka.ms/Nicole to check it out. And now let's get back into the vlog.
Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings out.
Good morning, you beautiful people. Welcome to the vlog. I'm just gonna bring my donut over here. Hi guys, it's Nicole and welcome to Vlogmas day 10. We made it into double digits, yay! Thank you, Mom. Today is Thursday, December 10th. I'm eating a donut. We still have a few left from my birthday, so we're just trying to finish them off. These are so good. They're from Dunkin'. They're strawberry flavored, and they have little snowflakes on them. Say hi, Sadie. I know I said they were gonna finish my room yesterday, but I think they're finishing it today, and hopefully I can move all my furniture and clean my room and put it all back together. So it's kind of really messy right now. I want a Capri Sun. I'm gonna get a Capri Sun, but today I have school, like always, and then practice from 3 to 4:45. That'll be in a few hours. Let's see. We have more Pacific Cooler. Pacific Cooler Capri Sun. What time is it? Oh, it's 8:58. I start class in 2 minutes, so I'm gonna join my Spanish meeting right now. Oh, guys. I can't wait till it's winter break. I actually... Because we end on the 18th? So I only have this week and then next week, and then I'm on winter break. That's amazing. Alright, I'm in my Spanish class now. Very beautiful.
Thanks.
Oh, Christian, do you want to play together?
You suck at piano.
No, I want to play this one. A 5, a 6, a 5, 6, 7, 8.
Why so slow? Getting faster.
If you guys didn't know, I played piano from like kindergarten to 2nd grade, and then I quit. It might have been longer, I don't know, but Christian's been playing. Sadie! She's laying on a blanket right now. Oh, thank you, Sadie. Let it go! Look at her face. The snow glows white on the mountain tonight. Not a footprint to be seen. I'm the queen. Conceal, don't feel. Let it go. Mwah! Hey guys. Zoom in on her face. So our parents, they're currently at the doctor's actually because my mom, she might have like busted up her knee, so she's getting that checked out. I hope everything's okay. But every time we leave the house, Sadie always goes to this window and she'll look out to see if we're home. But what time is it? I need to go to my English class.
Oh, your class still?
Yeah.
Oh, it's time.
Okay, for my lunch, I just spent it with Christian and Sadie. Christian! Now I'm going to join my last class of the day, which is English. He is being so loud, and I'm just trying to focus on my English class. Are you making the boba?
Yeah, and ramen.
Okay. If you guys saw Vlogmas Day 8, when I went to practice, Kate gave me boba and then like the taro milk tea. So Christian's gonna make it right now. Sadie, get back inside! What was that?
It's a tapioca, bro.
Christian! Yay! I'm still in my English class, but Christian just made the boba. I wanna try it. Ready? Go.
Inspire.
Wow, that's really good. Christian added honey and sugar to the boba, and he just had to pour the taro milk tea in. And he put mine in a mason jar. So cute.
My mason jar.
I am now done with school, and I'm just gonna rest on this beanbag for a little. Sadie's over there as well. I have practice at 2 and it's currently 1:46. I'm just gonna sit here for maybe like 20 minutes and rest, and I will see you guys when I'm getting ready for practice. Here's what I'm wearing. I have my team jacket on, this cropped t-shirt from Princess Polly, and then some Lulu leggings on. I packed my bag. I don't bring much. And then I also have my yoga mat, and I'm about to put on my shoes. Christian is gonna take me because he actually has practice for drumline, so we're both going to the school. Hi, Sadie. Hi. Hi, babe. This is so funny. Sadie, why are you getting mad?
Sadie!
Hey, y'all. What's up? I'm home from practice, and I'm going to eat some ice cream because I haven't really ate ice cream in a while, and I just feel like it. So, y'all already know chocolate melted crunch. Alright, it's a little later. I took a shower and now we're going to be organizing my room because as you guys can see, it's a bit of a mess. My dad just mounted my TV and then the boys are moving my dresser back to where it was. And then after they do that, my mom and I are going to clean because they were like drilling into the walls and there might be like dust everywhere. By the way, all they have to do tomorrow is like paint, because like it's like different lights, so they're gonna be doing that tomorrow, but we can move everything back because it's not gonna get on other things. Yeah, that I think that's where it was. Thank you, boys.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just.
Now it is time to tidy up everything in my room. Sadly, my mom actually hurt her knee. It's not like broken or anything, but like she's in some pain right now. Sorry, Mom, I love you. So she's not going to be cleaning with me. I'm just gonna like wipe down all the tables and everything. I think I'm gonna start with my dresser first, take everything off, and then wipe it with some Windex.
Think you're great. Root of tradition we celebrate. But oh, Christmas tree. More than anything, it's all the people around you. My sister's here, my cousins too.
Next, we're gonna tackle my bed. There's just like a bunch of clothes on it, and I think first I'm gonna sort it into piles. One pile's gonna be I have to put hangers in them and then put them in my closet, and then another one will be all the clothes I have to put away in my dresser because all of them are clean. I just gotta put them away.
It's you there. Don't get me wrong, you're a sight to see. With all faded photos of family, but oh, Christmas tree. No, you don't mean a thing without the joy that surrounds you. Oh, Christmas tree. Christmas tree.
We have made so much progress. The last section is now my desk area. There's there's a lot of stuff.
Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been
I did it! Oh my gosh, it looks so much better, and also my mirrors. I'm so happy with them. But yeah, my bed is clear. My desk area looks like it's new. I'm just so happy. Oh, by the way, all of my pillows are in a different room. I'll get those in the morning so I can make my bed tomorrow. But I'm so happy. Finally, my room is all back to normal. This is where I'm going to end today's vlog. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, go comment on my community tab, subscribe to my channel, and turn on my post notifications, and go cop some Coley merch. I'll see you guys tomorrow back with another video. I love you guys so much. Stay positive. Bye!